Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's video, I'm sharing a Victorian Chic Trinket box that I made for the Shabbyween YouTube hop, and it's also my design team project for CraftStash. You'll find my links in the area right underneath this video. Enjoy the video. For my Victorian Chic Trinket box, I used my Graphic 45 ATC box along with the Teal paper collection that is available at CraftStash. The trims and metal pieces are for my stash. This was such an easy project to alter in one afternoon, and I am very happy with how it turned out. I hope that you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and let me know how you like my Victorian Chic altered box. Thank you for watching. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.